So around $102K, I posted a warning sign about the Bitcoin crash in my Telegram channel a few days ago, and you can see I told you the Bitcoin last line of defense is around the golden pocket area over here, and after that you can see we fell down a lot harder than before. And of course, when I post such type of setups, I'm always bearish on alts, because what Bitcoin does, alts always follows, and especially Neiro. Since the last Neiro update, Neiro has broken this support of 12, as even it has also broken the support of 15 to 17 cents. 17 cents, I'm sorry to say cents, but the number is around 17 to 16, and it broke that support. After that support, it came directly to breaking this support also, 12.1, and after that it has also touched the 8 or 9 support. So these are crucial important levels for Neiro as well. So yeah, we'll be talking about Bitcoin for the first 1 or 2 minutes, quick update of the market, and after that we'll be just analyzing Neiro also. Okay, so let's just start the video. But before that, you can check the update of this, what happened after that. You can see that Bitcoin fell over around 10%. You can see around 10% crash there was, and you can see 10% crash matters a lot. And after that you will say there's this last line of defense was broken, but you can clearly see in the daily time frame what is happening, guys. You can see clearly what is happening. Everything is in perfectly in line. The last line of defense is defending the Bitcoin price in the daily time frame. You can see that we did not, even after such a massive crash, we did not close below this last line of defense, and this was the last line of defense. That is why nothing is concerning until this last line of defense is broken down. And after that, if we get a daily closing below 94k, things get pretty bearish. So that's why I'm just I'll be telling you the Neiro updates and DCA levels, as well as if you should buy here or not. I'll be telling you everything very, very clearly. So first of all, you need to make sure that you subscribe to this channel, because everything is posted for free. A few days ago I posted a challenge from $100 to $1,000 in just 3 days using Bitcoin, and yeah, you can just join my free Telegram channel. It's obviously free, and I posted Ethereum call also, and it pumped around 11% from the bottom, and you can see I actually entered that trade. And let's go into the Neiro update. So the first thing that I look at around here is that in the daily time frame, RSI is of course bottomed out. This is now in traditional finance and in traditional markets, this is a good sign to accumulate any coin, any asset, rather than buying the top. And that is why I would just suggest you to buy Neiro around this support over here, because this is the last support. But I would also argue that you should exit your position if things get dirty and we close below 7. Okay, so 7 is the ultimate level, because it is a stop loss for any kind of trade. You can accumulate Neiro as much as you want near this bottom, because the RSI looks very, very bottomed out, and you cannot use EMAs or anything like that to predict the price of Neiro in upcoming days. I actually gave you a pump before this dump. I told you to buy around this trend line, and it gave around 28%. And after that, you can see that the max to max pump it gave was around 37% before it dumped harder than ever. And yep, this was very, very clear cut analysis, and everything is just free of course on my Telegram channel. Yeah, what you need to make sure in order to be bullish again. So the first thing that you would need is this RSI is already saying, but you would need to make sure that these lows are swept or anything. Just you would just get some kind of dip or retracement, but the price should not close below 7. Okay, so this is you need to make sure before making any new positions. The first thing bullish that could happen to Neiro is just reclaim of 12. This 12 area is very, very important, guys. Okay, so this area will act as something like support, and this will push price higher to 15 or 20 level, and these levels are very, very up. So I would not expect you to just blindly follow me and just go to set your targets to 20, but I would just say that the first target, if you are buying here, the first target would be around 12, the second target would be around 15, which is around 50% from here, and the third target would be 94%. These are realistic targets in Neiro. And yeah, in the bull run it could rally higher than ever, it could rally more, but currently I'm not seeing anything much bullish about Neiro. The only thing that I'm thinking about is this 4-hour RSI reset over here, and this was very, very good, because when we exited this pump around here, RSI was already 70, and after that in the second pump, although price pumped, but the RSI kept telling us that this was a clear-cut divergence. That's why the fall came off. And yeah, I was on a holiday vacation, so I couldn't inform about all these things, but I would be keeping you updated from now further on my Telegram. Make sure you join the Telegram. The link is free. Everything is free on my Telegram. If you guys want to join my premium, it's just free of cost. Nothing is taken from you. No money is taken. Premium scalpers is free of cost. You just need to DM contact this account. This is one of my account, and I'll just set you guys up on the premium. Okay, so yeah, one thing is very certain, that buying rather than at 20 or 24 is just wasteful. And yeah, buying at 10 seems reasonable, buying at 8 seems reasonable, buying at 7 seems reasonable, because in the daily we are actually pretty oversold. So yeah, that was my update on Neiro. I hope you guys liked the video. If you enjoyed the content, make sure you join the Telegram by clicking on the link in the description of this video, and you can also subscribe to this channel for free.